Welcome. In front of me I have the Apple Watch Ultra 2, and today I'll just go over a bit of a test fit for different kind of wristbands or straps. Now the one that I'll be taking a look at is this one, the metal one. Unfortunately this one won't be fitted to my wrist because I would need to actually probably remove links for it to be fitted, but that is something that I can do. I'm just kind of going over all of them and just taking a look on how they look like and feel like. So anyway, let's just get straight into it. Now this is one of the ones that I'll be doing, but I have several other ones that I'll be going over as well. So if you're interested in seeing how maybe some other one looks like, there's something you can check out in a different video. Now let's take this off. Just rip through it. Trying to see if there's some, yeah, just gonna rip it. Come on, let go. So that's one. And there we go, that's the second one. So, now let's take off the default straps from the watch. Now these are universal, so they will work as well for the Watch Ultra as they will do for instance, the Series 9. If you want to use them, obviously they're compatible with each one of them. I'll be honest, this one doesn't really fit all that well with the design of the Watch Ultra. So it's completely different color, as you can see. Same strap would have been better looking if it was the same kind of color as the actual body of the watch. It's different, so I would argue it's not necessarily the best looking one, but in terms of a strap itself, obviously you clip it or unclip it and you do not this way, you do this, and if you have actual reasonable sized wrists, unlike me, because this literally goes up to my elbow almost, yeah, you could probably utilize this. Now that being said, obviously you can shrink this. You have links right here that you can remove. By removing certain links, obviously you're going to make it shorter and therefore probably fit better to your wrist. Now, that's probably something that everyone will need to do with this kind of strap to fit it to their wrist. So if you're looking for something that is kind of pop in and go, this might not be the strap for you. And that being said, also the strap itself kind of feels, I don't know, a little bit cheapish. It's weird to explain, but straps like that usually have a little bit more heft to it and don't sound like a fiddly little, aluminum garbage kind of cheap strap. Obviously this probably is a couple bucks, so that's why it feels like it's a couple bucks. So I'd probably recommend picking up something that might be a little bit higher quality. And alternative, what you could also do, if you want to utilize such a strap like this one, you could look for the strap itself for a normal watch and just pop it on this, because these little inlays can actually take different straps. And if this just single, let's just take that off, so can you show this off? Come on, there we go. So this can be removed, as you can see, like this, and you can apply other straps to this. This is a default, watch strap kind of link, so you can pop any other watch strap on here and use, for instance, leather ones if you want to, or something that would be coloristically fitting a little bit more to this kind of watch. So there we go. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.